Hi, I'm John from Blackdog Speed Shop. Today we're going to go over what we did on this lovely 65 C10 here. We did a complete sniper system install, including fuel tank, ignition coils, distributor, and we built a custom exhaust on this. Come along for the ride. So the first thing we're going to have to do is remove the old harness and the atomic unit that's on top of the intake. We're double checking to make sure everything is going to fit and everything is in the package. So Holley Sniper units are great units, but they're very sensitive. This case in particular, this one was very sensitive to the RFI emitted by the distributor. So we had to go through and make sure that that wasn't happening and this car wasn't freaking out when you were going wide open throttle. So in this case, this vehicle will never see bad weather or rain. So we fabricated a bracket to mount the ECU to and tucked it nice in the frame rail where it's hidden and can't be seen. So as he's finishing up the sniper install, we're bringing the engine up to operating temperature so the system can learn. And this is why we don't use accordion style dress-up hoses. So the way these hoses work is those clamps clamp onto a bushing. Well, that bushing is what tore and let loose and caused all this damage. What we do is find the correct molded hose and do it right. So this vehicle had a custom tank in it. What we did is put the sniper tank in, which comes with the sending unit and an EFI pump. It also comes with an install kit that has all the hoses and fuel filters needed. All you gotta do is run the lines and install everything. Here at Blackdog Speed Shop, we have this amazing machine shop for a reason. We can build and fabricate just about anything we want. Many shops can build a custom exhaust, but here at Blackdog, we take extra care, deburring, cleaning it, making sure our end welds are perfect and never gonna break. So building a custom exhaust like this is no easy task. As you can see, it's fit and measure, making sure all the angles are right, making sure the pipes are clean and ready to be welded. Preparation is key in this if you don't want it to leak. Many shops build custom exhausts, but here at Blackdog, we take the time to make sure the end product is going to be perfect. One thing you do when you fabricate, measure, fit. Measure, fit. So here at Blackdog Speed Shop, we realized that direct fit parts aren't always an option, so we've become quite good at fabricating things. This car in particular, there's torque arms in the back and a coilover suspension. Well, we had to build around it to make the exhaust, and we did it. So now it's time to make the brackets to hold the pipes. Another key concern here was the customer wanted it not obvious that this had tailpipes sticking out of the back, so we decided to turn them down right before the rear bumper. What did we learn about fabrication? Measure, fit. Measure, fit. The quality of a weld can make or break the entire exhaust system. Welding is an art, and Pete, our fabricator, is Picasso. This is why you want to use somebody you can trust. And as you can see, we're the tailpipes, nice and hidden. So obviously this wasn't our big horsepower builds, but what it was is what our customer wanted. A reliable truck he could get in, start, drive, and not have to worry about anything. And that's what we accomplished for him at Blackdog. So make sure you like, subscribe, and click that bell.